Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Menteri Ketenat Yalekai ke Sarkar Jila uba Wailadmiki Shilla, ula Kyntu ke Organizing Committee jong ke Durand Cup bakin Wanrah sa Jingïakhun final hakani kenong ba. Ya kani ula penpau hak Jingïakhun penipat ba yaki trophy jong kani kedumpung Yalekai ke basis pak lai pusan hak sisa jan hak baledon lang ki he shipai Kyntu ya General Officer Commanding jong ke Indian Army 101 area Shillong Lieutenant General Mohit Wanrah ki he officer ka sarkar jila kumju kirang Yalekai na ka Shillong lajong FC Langsning FC bat kanong se bat kibai uba Wailadmiki uloong balada omla ban penong ya ka final mta usnam ha kanong ba Shillong hendai kermen bakin sala ban penulong ha kisnam banwan ha kani kanong ba an penong ya ka Yalekai kum ka group E ki bukentup ya ka Shillong lajong FC Langsning FC Nongse SS and CC bat Kamombe FC kumju kawai ke Jingïakhun quarter final bat ke semi final. Hadian balakut kene program nakaliang uba Wailadmiki bat Lieutenant General Mohit Wanrah kila kawai akalama haswa baka kali ringkat bat ke kinhun jong kinong nya thok kinmi banyat keleng kanong ba ya kini ki trophy anyat keleng kanong ba juwai bat tura hakisngi banwan ban penpau perthei shephang kene ke lumpung kabalarem tam hakadoba Asia.
Thank you. We will look forward for an amazing success of the Durand Cup 2026. Let's hear it for the spirit of football in Meghalaya.
Football tournament in Asia and one of the most prestigious football competition in the world. At the outset, I extend my heartfelt gratitude to the Indian Armed Forces and the Durand Cup Organizing Committee for their continued trust and confidence in Meghalaya. This is the third consecutive year that our state has been entrusted with hosting the Durand Cup. That itself is a strong testimony to the Meghalaya proven ability to organize sporting event of the highest standard. Football is not a game in Meghalaya. It is a part of our identity. It is played in every village, every school, every town, and every district. It unites communities, inspire our youth, and bring immense pride to our state. This year, Meghalaya will proudly host the Durand Cup from 31st July to the 20th of August 2026. With 8 exciting matches, including 6 league matches, 1 quarterfinals and 1 semi-finals right here in Shillong. But no doubt, I think like everyone, including me, I think I will take this opportunity to request. No doubt we are very grateful to the armed forces for giving us this opportunity, but definitely we are looking forward to host the finals also in Shillong. So I will take this opportunity to urge that if possible this year, if not in the coming years, we definitely would like to host the final right here in Shillong. We are delighted that our own club
tournament in Asia and India, and one of the oldest tournaments in the world. What began as a competition amongst regiments of the Indian Armed Forces has now grown into a national character, with it becoming India's most prestigious football tournament.
Barok ki breu ki khmi ya kalawai babha ki wat ya kajaka bansan kajaka ban kiyo shaprang.
MIT University Meghalaya, mankasni kalong ke jingstang bathuma, ki jingikai bapura katkom kejok kabamta. Ke MIT University, kadan bunjait ki course pat ki jingikai. Kum ka fashion design, filmmaking, communication design, music, BBA, MBA, Sports Management, Nursing, BTech, Computer Science, BSW, MSW, bat QA.
Ha MIT University Meghalaya ki jingtrang jongpi shaka jingjop ki urlong bat ki galalong ka jingshisa. MIT University Meghalaya ka jingya lenti ka bastang shakalaway bachok.